Hey y'all, it's ready. My print book is finally ready, and I've worked with Amazon Print on Demand, and it is up right now on Amazon. It's for sale. I will include the link below, but I am so thrilled with how this turned out, y'all. It's a great quality. The feel of the cover is so smooth. I ordered the matte finish. It's like, ooh, so nice. And then the weight of the paper, it's nice and thick. The pictures are gorgeous. It just translated into a print book just so nicely. And I'm just absolutely thrilled about this. So the reason I ended up working with Amazon Print on Demand is because they were the ones that had the best quality product for the least amount of money. And I'm not saying it's cheap. It's not cheap. It's $36.99. But everywhere else that I looked, the lowest I could find for this quality book was $50 a book. And I just thought that was too much. So I kept looking. And this is what I ended up settling on. I think y'all are going to love it. So for those of you who have purchased my ebook already, it's the same book, okay? It's the same content, but there are just a few tweaks that have to happen as you convert an ebook to a printed book. Like it matters what side of the page things are on, stuff like that. So as I was doing that, I was able to add a few bonus things to my printed book like this. I've included some of my mom's handwritten recipes and some family pictures from when I was growing up. Me and my brothers, me and my mom and dad, my grandparents. The quality of the book is amazing. I'm so pleased to bring this to you. So anyway, I hope you love it. And I'm going to ask a favor, if you don't mind, if you order this book and enjoy this book, if you don't mind going back to the Amazon website and giving me a 5-star review, that would be so helpful. I think people are hesitant to order a book that is not reviewed, and I don't have any reviews on my book right now. So anyway, I would ask that you would do that for me. I would certainly appreciate it. All right, guys, I'll include the link below. And I just appreciate your support and your encouragement. I never would have done any of this without you. All right. God bless you. Y'all have a good day. Bye.